Okay, let's do one more. There you go, guys. You butterfly it, not from the front where the skin is. We did it from the inside of the chicken. Okay, so let's do our marinade. So what we're gonna do, guys, with the trimming the extra chicken skin and also the part of the backbone and the tail, the chicken butt, we're going to make a chicken oil out of this. So we're going to make a chicken oil right now. So this is the tips of the chicken and the chicken skin. So we're gonna just add some water and we're just gonna let it boil, and of course we're gonna cover it for faster boiling. Okay guys, pabayaan nyo lang siya dito sa pot natin hanggang lumabig siya. So just leave it sa burner natin, so meron pang natitirang init. So payaan nyo lang siya hanggang sa lumamig, and then we can use it for our marinade. Okay guys, let's start sa ating marinade ng ating chicken inasal. Lagyan po natin ng vinegar. One cup. You can use cane vinegar, distilled vinegar. Distilled vinegar, just do half a cup because it's very it's sharp, very sour. So for the soy sauce, half a cup. Half a cup ng soy sauce. Hindi siya masyadong makulay. What do I have here? Just regular soy sauce. Okay. Alright. So for our aromatics, we have ground garlic over here. This is about 2 tablespoons. Lemongrass. Let me see. This is about two stalk of lemongrass, but I cut the top, so this is just the bottom part, which is the edible one or the sulfur one. How about a cup? Actually, if you can put more, it's not gonna hurt. And This is also 2 tablespoons of ginger ground. This is Thai bunny pepper or labuyo. This is 3 little pieces, but it's optional. If you don't want to put it, don't worry about it. But I want it a little bit spicy. And we have to give it a little bit of twist, guys. This is chicken bouillon. Either you can wrap this to the chicken meat itself or put it in a marinade. So the easy way for me is I'm gonna put it in a marinade. So this is about 2 tablespoons. That's gonna be our twist. So it's gonna be, it's much flavorful. Actually, my chicken is previously frozen, so it's not yung ano, what you call it, yung native. Hindi siya native, so wala siya masyadong lasa. So for the black pepper, mga 1 tablespoon. Okay, and then lalagyan po natin siya ng, it's supposed to be calamansi juice, but it's not available here where I'm at. I'm not in Philippines, by the way. So I'm putting lemon juice. It's not even a fresh, it's in a bottle. So if you have calamansi, go ahead and put the calamansi. If not, we just have to do with the lime juice in a bottle. About 1/4 cup, we can always adjust it later. And we're gonna add some brown sugar. A 1/4 cup. Because we're just gonna putting everything together and we're just gonna adjust it. We're going to adjust it. And we're gonna add our chicken oil for color. I'm just gonna estimate it. That's maybe about 2 tablespoons. So let me mix this. Actually, this chicken barbecue is perfect because this coming Monday, it's actually Memorial Day here in Maryland, USA. Well, actually, the entire state. Memorial Day, not just here. In its salsa, about 1 tablespoon of salt. This is a kosher salt, but if you put iodized, just put about a teaspoon. And mix it again. At this point, you can adjust it. Either you need vinegar, soy sauce, black pepper, whatever you need, but the herb is about the same. Just the liquid and the sugar, so just adjust it. But right now, for me, you need soy sauce to actually make it taste better. Instead of soy sauce, we're going to put oyster sauce. Ako, napapamahal na to, ha? But 3 tablespoons. Actually, you're the one gonna eat it, your family, so it doesn't matter. So actually, oh my gosh, I put hoisin sauce. Oops. Anyway, you let's see. Oh my goodness, it's the same bottle because I do buy those big can and then put it in a jar. Actually tastes better. Okay, the saltiness, the sourness is there. I need a little bit more sugar. I need a 1/4 cup again. And another tablespoon of black pepper. Because you want your marinade to be strong because it's the chicken have to absorb all the flavor. So you're gonna make it strong marinade. Okay. That's about it. So what we're gonna do, guys, right now, so one by one we're gonna dip our chicken. Wash your hands. So we're gonna dip it like that. And make sure all the chicken is coated. And we're gonna marinate this. If you're gonna use it today, same day, give it a couple of hours, maybe 1 or 2. The longer the better. So, but of course overnight is the best. Okay guys, so after we coat all the chicken with our marinade, and we're gonna pour our marinade on top of the chicken, cover it with the saran wrap or aluminum foil, or put it in a container that you have with a cover and put it in a fridge. Okay, I'm gonna marinate this overnight. There you go. So we have our barbecue chicken for Memorial Day on Monday. There you go, guys. It's gonna taste good, guys, I promise.